Jake, what's your name? How old are you? What animal do you sound like? Good morning. How old are you, Taya? What animal do you sound like?
A horse.
Good morning. What's your name? How old are you, Abigail? What animal do you sound like? And your name is? How old are you, Jonah? And what animal do you sound like? All right, first of all, down at this end, we have the sound of a kitty. Then we have the sound of a snake.
Woo!
Sound of a horse. Sound of a tiger. I like tigers. And the sound of a sheep. Sound of the sheep gets third place. Sound of the horse. Tiger gets first place. Thank you for coming up and helping us out. How about 9-year-olds and 10-year-olds next? If you're 9 or 10, come on up to the stage for the animal legends contest.